It is rainy, it is gloomy, it's cold, and I gotta drop this big package off, so let's get to it. So as best as I know how, I have tried to use my phone for vlogging. I just don't like it. I respect every mobile filmmaker. I respect their decision to use their phones with a freedom type mentality to vlog with. I just hate mobile filmmaking. It's not even like I'm a filmmaker. I just hate mobile video making. I hate making videos with my phone. It's not that the phone is terrible. It actually has some nice little features about it, and I really enjoy it. However, it sucks uploading and downloading and all the extra stuff, and I actually kind of flipped out last night a little bit. I'm at like, I have a 1 gigabyte file that, this is the last one. The video is halfway edited, and I was able to pull in some files and some B-roll and stuff like that, because you know, you need B-roll, you need a little audio cutting in underneath. So I'm at 3 minutes into this edit, and this video is fairly long, so that's 7 minutes. So that the rest of that is unedited. Up to 3 minutes though is edited or so. The problem with that is I've been waiting about a good hour. This is why it's like, I agree, and even I'm guilty of saying it, I agree that you should have a phone that has a great camera. I think it's like an 18 megapixel camera on the back. There's about 8 megapixels on the front. Simple camera. Like I said, I don't spend a whole bunch of money on the phone and all of that, but it's a great device. But when it comes to recording, and you know, even if you bought the higher end cameras or the flagship models for any of these phone manufacturers, when it comes to putting a video together, getting all the clips, hoping nobody calls, or you know, can you afford to be in airplane mode for a little while, and just, you know, even that, catching up on anything that comes in during that time, it's so annoying to have to deal with this. When I was trying to record, for whatever reason, stuff was just not going right. It took forever to get stuff off of my phone. Whereas, I guess, well, I know why. Because the files were so long, or not so long, but so big, that it just took a long time, and it sucks. But you know, that's, I just can't do it anymore. I gotta change some stuff. And then too, like, I use my phone legit for so many things. It's not even like I get a chance to just, you know, keep it just for recording. And yeah, you can put it on airplane mode, and yeah, you can do all those things. And I'm recording right now on the phone just to make a point. But I was watching a video earlier, and my buddy Sean Cannell, he does a channel called Video Influencers with Benji Travis, and I think they're both amazing and incredible. But they were saying some things about, you know, starting on your phone, which I have said myself. But the thing is that, yeah, starting on your phone is okay. If I was starting a vlogging channel and this is what I was going to do, these are great for in a pinch, because I can mix this in with, you know, different recordings and stuff like that, and from my camera or whatever. And you can just legit start this way. If what you have to say is powerful enough and it's important enough, or it's something that is meaningful content to somebody else, then they will want to hear what it is that you have to say. You can edit off of your phone, you can edit off your tablet. Even now I'm in the car, I don't have any microphones hooked up. This is just straight pull the phone out of my pocket and start recording, and you get fairly decent audio. You probably get some of the better audio in your car. And you know, it's just like, there are things that are good about it, and then like I said, there's just some things I just can't stand.